Hi, this is Simone from Vision Your Business for our next episode of Align with Your Business. So I'm just moving the foot on here so I don't trip over it. So this session we're going to learn about the balance sheet today, but before we begin we will switch on. So the first thing we do is 2 fingers on one side and thumb, about an inch down from the collarbone. You'll feel a bit of a dip here. If you give that a rub, quite often for us women it's sometimes a little bit tender. If it is tender, just hold it. So we just do this for as long as we feel that is necessary for us. Everybody's individual. And when you're ready, swap hands. So 1 hand on your tummy button and 2 fingers and a thumb on this side. Okay, the next thing we do is 2 fingers again, just above the top lip, and your thumb underneath your bottom lip, and give that a bit of a rub. And your other hand on your tummy button again. And when you're ready, swap hands. 2 fingers above the top lip, thumb underneath your bottom lip, and the other hand on your tummy button. Okay, so the third thing we will do is again 1 hand on your tummy button. Always keep 1 hand on your tummy button. And the other hand is on your tailbone, so we'll give that a bit of a rub. And when you're ready, swap hands. Okay, so the next one we do is zip ups. So hands down to your pubic bone, and we're going to zip ourselves up. And when you're coming up, we'll take a deep breath in, and when we come down with our hands back down to our pubic bone, we will let all our breath out. So let's go. Okay, and the final one is have a sip of water. Having a sip of water constantly during the day is very good for our brain because we need to keep it hydrated, especially if you're working with books. Okay, so let's learn about the balance sheet today. So a balance sheet shows you the financial position of your business at a given point of time. So that's why it's got balance sheet as at. This point of time is when you prepare your balance sheet. Usually it's the end of each month. When you receive your financial statements from your tax accountant, he will have as at the 30th of June or whatever it is for your end of financial year. Okay, so let's go on to assets. Assets are what you own in your business. So that we can segregate that into 2 lots of assets. We've got current assets. Usually that is within what you have within 12-month period, and non-current assets. So current assets are things like your cash that you have in your bank account. You might have people who owe you money for your business, for services that you've done or products that you've sold. They are considered current assets. So then the non-current assets would be things like your depreciable assets, computer, printer, office furniture, they would be considered non-current assets. Sometimes computers can be current assets because they don't last very long. But anyway, your tax accountant will know where that lies. So non-current assets would also be property that you would own and motor vehicles. So then what we do then is we total up those and to get our total assets. The next one is the liabilities. That is what money you owe to other people outside of your business. So what your business owes. So we would split that up into current and non-current again. So if you have creditors that you owe invoices to, that would be considered as current asset because you would be paying that within 12 months. But if you had a mortgage or a hire purchase on a motor vehicle or something, then that would be considered as non-current liabilities. So then we add up those liabilities. Now to get your net position there for your business, we would have your assets less your liabilities equals your net assets. That is the amount that you own in your business. And that amount also equals the owner's equity, which is how much you own in your business. So we want this amount to be positive. The higher the current assets, especially, and the higher your assets, means that the higher your net assets will be. Okay, so I hope that has helped you understand a balance sheet. If there is any questions that you would like to know specifically, please leave comments below and I will help you as much as I can. If there's anything else in your business regarding financial accounting that you would like to know, please also leave a comment and I will make another video regarding that for you. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.